Hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Demolition Derby 2. It's a really fun game. And as you see here, I got my stock car retro. And I'm going to be doing demolition mode. And there's also a racing mode over here. But today we're going to be doing the demolition mode. I'm going to do the concrete dome. And I'm going to do 9 opponents. Or let's do actually 5. Might do 9 on the next video. Okay, so on the right, you see we have boost. We have some nitro. Over here we got a friggin' bobtail and a school bus. And we got a speedometer on the bottom. And it shows you how many opponents there are in the top, including you. Oh my god. Whoa, he just ramped off me. Here we go. Hit him hard. Well, I think he might be the first guy dead. Try to get him. Oh god. Yep, there he goes. Where's the road? Oh god. So good. Ooh. Turn around up here. You guys, if you don't know, the best way if you wanna hit someone the hardest, you gotta hit them on the side. Okay, so right now we're just gonna. Oh god, he got in my way. I was gonna go for the bobtail. Oh god. So now let's just go speeding down. Oh god, I missed. Let's smash into this guy right here. Whoa! Whoa! Just ripped off him hard. Let's go. Right there. There's tire standing up. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? I thought we were gonna get first again. So yeah, let's just go to our garage right now. And see guys, I'll show you right now how to like customize and stuff. See right here, see this? You gotta click on this little tire down here at the wrench. See, first you're at the spray station. See right now, yeah, I might change the color. Oh, that looks cool. I'm gonna change that to blue. And I'm gonna change my windshield color maybe to red, and my stripe to this blue. And if we go up here to the tires, there's these regular tires. Well, I got these slick tires and these ones. But I use these ones all the time because I don't know. And over here you got the engines. See, you can get boost. Here's the boost and the engine. And here you can pick your number. I'm gonna change my number to probably like 105. Just leave it like that. And if up here, if you go to free, you get your daily rewards, and you can watch 5 ads. But if you're new to the game, if you go right here, you can share, and then you'll get some money too. So here's all some other cars. And right now I'm just gonna do a test drive with my car. So if you press those 2 hands, put the keys, you can go out and test drive. And there's some cars down here doing a race. They just go on forever, so you can just smash into them, and then they just keep going. Ooh, and then you can practice in all these places. That big one over there. And what I like to do is I like to go really fast and just boost and then jump over these hay bales. Ooh, I got a mailbox up here. Getting your mail. Garbage can. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.